What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today's video is different. Okay, today we are not going to review a PC part or build a PC or show you guys a guide. Today we have a case from Andar The Marshal. So Andar was nice enough to send one of their genuine high quality phone case for my Apple iPhone 11 Pro here. Now this case they sent me a long time ago, and I was so busy with fixing my studio and doing other stuff, I almost forgot. So other day I picked up this box and I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna open this box and see what's inside. I'll just wait for the video. So I don't know how this case looks. I didn't open this box, as you guys can see. Okay, I don't have any cover on. I don't really rock covers and stuff. So today I was like, you know what, let me just make this quick video because I just bought my Sony ZV-1 and I do have some new lighting setup and stuff, so I'm a bit excited. So I was like, let's review Andar case today. All right, so let me open this box real quick. Wow. All right, so this case comes with the nice pouch with the Andar brand name here, and it's a nice cloth pouch. Like literally my wife will steal this pouch. If she sees this pouch, she will take it. Okay, trust me. So hold on, I'll show you guys the case, but look at the pouch, guys. I don't know, I just like anything with pouch, like microphone with pouch, anything with pouch. I don't know. All right, if you don't want to use the case, just put your phone inside the pouch and put it in your pocket. No. All right, maybe if you want. All right, so let's look at the cover. And here you guys can see the cover or the case, whatever you guys want to call. Nice leather, two-tone, brown and camel. I kind of like the camel color and the brown color. Okay, genuine leather. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I can smell leather. Look at this, guys. Beautiful case. The cutout is pretty good also. Like, I don't know if you guys can see the cutout. Pretty nice. Nicely cut out and tucked. Wow. All right, let me put my phone inside this case so I can show you guys. Nice. The fitment is really good. Come on. And the bottom section is open right here. So I don't know how much like this case will help. Like if you drop your phone. Yeah. Like, look, this case is really good for show, I believe. But protection wise, basically it will give you similar protection like original Apple iPhone 11 Pro case. Alright, the cutouts are really good. Like I told you guys, the cutout is here. This one is good. The camera cutout is really nice. Volume rockers, let me see. Working. Yep, working. And the bottom section is open just like you know, Apple original covers for like iPhone 11 Pro. Now they did ask me to send me like iPhone 12 case, but currently I still own iPhone 11 Pro, so I told them no. Maybe I'll just wait until iPhone 13, and if you guys want me to check out their iPhone 13 case, definitely give this video a like and, you know, definitely subscribe. But overall guys, quality not bad. Okay, and I don't know how safe this case will be. So if you're someone who, you know, who use their phone really rough and you drop your phone, I don't know, the case goes for $45. Yeah, a bit pricey, but I think like $45 for a, you know, like $1,200 phone or $1,100 phone is definitely worth it. All right guys, that should be it. If you guys have any question, leave your question in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next one. I like this pouch. Peace.